You look tired. You should go to bed.
The government should do more to improve education.
Should we invite Stephanie to the party?
Yes, I think we should.
I think the government should do more to improve education.
I don't think you should work so hard.
Do you think I should apply for this job?
Yes, I think you should.
You shouldn't believe everything you read in the newspapers.
You should apologise.
You must apologise.
Or,
You have to apologise.
Where's Tina? She should be here by now.
The price on this packet is wrong. It should be £2.50, not £3.50.
that man on the motorbike should be wearing a helmet.
Helen has been studying hard for the exam, so she should pass.
There are plenty of hotels in the town. It shouldn't be hard to find a place to stay.
You missed a great party last night. You should have come. Why didn't you?
I wonder why they're so late. They should have got here long ago.
I'm feeling sick. I shouldn't have eaten so much.
She shouldn't have been listening to our conversation. It was private.
You look tired. You should go to bed now.
You went to bed very late last night. You should have gone to bed earlier.
Do you think I ought to apply for this job?
Jack ought not to go to bed so late.
It was a great party last night. You ought to have come.
Helen has been studying hard for the exam.